Does the sun really heal your body? You might be surprised how sunlight triggers powerful healing processes you never knew existed. When sunlight hits your skin, it triggers the production of vitamin D, a vital nutrient that supports bone strength and boosts your immune system. Without enough vitamin D, your body struggles to repair itself and fight infections. This is why moderate sun exposure can feel restorative and energizing. Sunlight exposure also stimulates skin cells to regenerate and repair damage. It can reduce inflammation and even help with skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. This healing effect is partly due to sunlight's influence on your body's natural anti-inflammatory responses. Beyond physical healing, sunlight boosts serotonin levels in your brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that improves mood and reduces stress. This mental lift can speed up recovery from illness or injury by helping you feel more motivated and less fatigued. While sunlight has healing benefits, too much exposure can damage your skin and increase the risk of skin cancer. It's important to balance sun time with protection like sunscreen or shade to harness healing effects safely. So yes, the sun really can help heal your body by producing vitamin D, repairing skin, and boosting your mood. But remember, moderation is key to avoid harm. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.